Hello, my name is Jay, and welcome back to my Tech Vault. Today we're going to be talking about consoles, everyone's favorite thing. And today I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a background story on why I don't like consoles, put it lightly. So, we're going to do a kind of a talk, I guess, about my history with, in particular, the Xbox One, why I don't really have an Xbox One anymore, and kind of the story that led up to it. So let's start off. So to put the story in context, this was back a couple years ago in school, and I think this was just when the Xbox One came out. The Minecraft edition, I think, came out a year later. So when the Minecraft edition came out, I thought, hey, I'll play that. Now, there's nothing wrong with playing Minecraft, and please don't stigmatize it, because I would much rather grow up playing Minecraft than playing Fortnite. No offense to Fortnite. Anyway, so I grew up playing Minecraft, and so the Xbox One edition came out, and I was like, I'm going to try playing that. And so I got into that. I was playing on the Xbox One. I really didn't have a gaming computer at the time. I had a modified Mac that I had pretty much put their own graphics card in and done some upgrades to. It was a pretty decent system, not going to lie, but at the time, it still didn't run Minecraft because of a bad processor in it. But I was playing on the Xbox, and I got into it, and I was like, okay, cool. And so there was an app that came out for Twitch that allowed you to stream off your Xbox. I got to streaming on my Xbox, thought it would be a wonderful idea, so I grabbed my Xbox, installed Twitch on there, and I started playing Minecraft on there, and I started watching, a bunch of streamers that were also streaming on there, and I thought, ooh, I want to do that, because at the time, the top Twitch stream for the Xbox One edition of Minecraft would show up show up in the purchase page on the Microsoft Store or the Xbox Store. So I said, I want to do that. So sure enough, I go through and I'm like, hey, let's do it. So I go through and I start streaming, working, and over the course of 6 months to almost a year, I work on Twitch, get almost 7,000 followers. I think it was 7,500, but 7,500 followers on Twitch, stream every day pretty much, and over the course of that, I ended up getting almost 500 views at peak time, and I'd get like 100 on average, and I was doing pretty good. I was really doing good, and I was happy with myself, and I was actually in the process of looking into buying a computer to stream off of and doing all that, and I was like, okay, let's do that. And so, sure enough, something bad, of course, has to happen in this story. So, back originally, the Xbox, I opened it up, turned it on one day, went into everything, and the whole thing, top to bottom, was corrupted. And I have a feeling the drive was starting to go on it, but I think at this time it was corrupted, and something was wrong with it. When I called Microsoft, they gave some error code. They said they wanted to actually me to send it in. So I pack up everything, mail it off. 1 week goes by, 2 weeks go by, 3 weeks go by, 4 weeks go by, and so a month later, I get the Xbox back. Sure enough, Xbox back. Okay, I figure Microsoft promised me that my stuff would stay. I wouldn't have any issues. All my files would be there. And so I load up everything, and all of a sudden, well, it appears the Xbox, the world that I was working on in Minecraft, appears to have somehow reverted 3 months older, and the online cloud backup appears to be absolute. This is a Christian channel, so we're going to keep it just crap. It was pretty bad. So I was worried because, all the viewers were watching me. I haven't streamed in a month because the Xbox was the only thing that I had. So I started streaming again. Had about maybe 50 to 25 viewers now, just because of how long it'd been since I streamed. I was pretty pissed. And so I, streamed, of course, on there. Was doing pretty good. And then about another week later, the Xbox completely craps itself. The drive, I think, went on it, and it wouldn't even boot into the thing. It said they're missing drive. Yeah, completely just died. So, mail it off again. Month goes by. Get it back. And now none of my files are there. When you back up to the cloud, try to pull down from the cloud, nothing's on the cloud. So at this point, I'm pretty much lost. I had maybe 10 or 5 viewers when I pulled up the the Xbox edition of Minecraft and downloaded everything and just started a new world, 10 or 5 viewers. Oh well. So, I guess the point of the story is, had the Xbox not gone, I wouldn't be sitting here before you. And after that, I pretty much haven't touched a console since. So, I have multiple PCs, everything's backed up. Heck, I just got this huge honker back here to back up all my stuff. So, yeah, no consoles for me. That's not it. But hope you guys enjoyed the story time, a little bit of the background of my history and I guess the history of this channel. Because I ain't touching a console with a 10-foot pole. Anyway, but if you guys enjoyed today's video, of course, give the video a thumbs up. See you guys later. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.